Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Apple ID profile picture not changing on iPhone. So if you have recently changed your Apple ID profile picture but it's still showing the old one, then don't worry. This is a fairly common issue. In most cases, the new photo has already been uploaded but your iPhone has not refreshed it yet. It can happen because of iCloud syncing problem, a temporary software glitch, or even a poor internet connection can cause this issue. So before trying anything complicated, let's go through a few simple solutions that usually fix the problem. So to start with, let's try uploading your profile picture once again because sometimes the previous change does not get uploaded properly to Apple services. So to do that, first open settings on your iPhone and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. After that, click on your current profile picture and choose the new one by clicking on this photos icon. If you want to select a profile picture from your photos gallery, you can then choose any profile from your photo gallery. You can choose any emoji if you want, a monogram, or you even can choose a emoji as a profile picture of your Apple ID. And once done, click on this tick icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you have done that, give your iPhone a few minutes because Apple may a little time to sync the new profile picture across your Apple devices. Now, if you are still seeing the old profile picture, the next thing you should do is to restart your iPhone. Restarting refresh several background services that are responsible for your Apple ID and iCloud syncing. So if the change was stuck in the background, there is a good chance it will appear after your iPhone get restart. But if restarting does not make any difference, then it's worth signing out your Apple ID and signing back in. And to do that, open settings and then again go to your Apple account. Here scroll down all the way and click on the sign out button and then follow the on-screen instructions to sign out your Apple account and then sign back in. After you have signed in again, wait for a few minutes and check whether the new profile picture is finally showing or not. If the problem is still there, another thing you should try is to check your internet connection because your photo need a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data to sync changes with iCloud. So make sure you have connected with a reliable network and if needed, switch to Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Then check your profile picture again. And one last thing I would recommend checking is whether a newer iOS update is available or not. If this issue affecting a larger number of users, Apple often release a follow-up software update to fix bugs like these. So open system settings and here go to general. After that, go to software update and if you see a newer version of iOS available, download and install it. And once update finishes, check your Apple ID picture and that's it. One of these solutions would help your Apple ID profile picture update normally on your iPhone. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.